I've just finished doing the 8-minute Zumba session for belly fat area. Oh, you missed it. How come? I'm here for you, don't worry. I'll do it another 8 minutes for you and you can do it along with me. These are such easy movements which are completely dance friendly. You just have to keep moving, do whatever you can, be it this or this. Just don't stop. This is a completely beginner friendly workout, which is Zumba workout for your belly area. much fun. You will love doing it along with me, and the music is so nice and peppy, and it's completely going to get you going. And if you love Zumba just as much as I do, then just comment below in the comment section with a heart. So let's get on with Zumba.